Hey everybody, I'm Aubrey Warwick and I am here today in Dr. Keith Marshall's office and I'm going through his detox program. I've been doing this for several weeks now and I want to tell you a little bit about my experience because it's exciting. And if you didn't know this about me, I'm actually a fitness professional and I take great pride in my own personal health and well-being. And I'm going through this program for multiple reasons. Number one, I want to practice what I preach and I want to help my clients learn more and kind of refer people to the best professionals that I know to help them live their best life, their healthiest life, and not just survive through life, but to thrive in life. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, I came here because I knew that something was out of whack with me. I eat a very well-balanced diet. I'm a nutrition specialist, I'm an exercise physiologist, but I knew that my hormones were off. And one signal that my body was talking to me was I was developing adult acne. Now I'm only 39, so I thought, what the heck? Why am I getting acne at the age of 39? So that was one red flag. I had already started my journey in eating for my gut health before I met Dr. Keith. So I knew I was on the right track. But the other thing that was really odd to me is that I had a calf injury for over a year. And as an exercise physiologist, you would think I could figure this out. I was working with a physical therapist. Calf injury was not healing. So lo and behold, I'm working with Dr. Keith and I got hair analysis done. Now this hair analysis, I never had this done before, was really, really interesting to me. And it revealed something that blew my mind. I was carrying a lot of mercury and aluminum, two heavy metals in my system, and I was not absorbing the minerals and nutrients that I needed from the supplements that I was taking based on I was leaky gut syndrome. And the big one, based on my calf injury, was my sodium potassium ratio level completely off. And going through the detox program, eating specifically for my gut microbiome, I'm telling you, within 2 weeks, my calf started to feel better. And I am proud to say, I do not have a calf injury anymore. So really, I needed that balance, that potassium in my diet that I was really, really lacking and clearly not absorbing and missing some key foods, thanks to learning more about me and dispelling any type of myths that are out there about what you should and should not be eating. All right, so that was pretty cool. So some other things that I've been feeling lately, I have had more energy. My sleep is better. I think my skin looks pretty bomb. What do you guys think? I'm telling you, I have a little tinted moisturizer on. There's no filters on this video, so I'm pretty proud of it. Now, the other thing I want to mention is that it is so imperative that you get your gut microbiome tested. This is the way of the future. And the thing is, Dr. Keith, he's known this for a long time. Sometimes we're a little late to the party, but better late than never. So make sure that you comment below if you have any questions, that you DM Dr. Marshall. And oh, another cool thing that I really appreciate is that he is straightforward. He is really direct. And let me show you this. Can you see all these credentials? Let me just pan. Okay. What? Come on. So this is really, if your goal is to lose weight, but beyond that, be healthy from the inside out, to learn more about preventative measures so that you can thrive, not just survive for the rest of your life. This is the way to go, guys. I'm telling you that, yeah, there's things out there that are just so misleading nowadays with mixed messages. And I'm so happy to have someone like this in Greensburg. So I'm going to stop my testimonial. I hope this is beneficial and I hope to see you in here soon.